Good morning, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick shout out. So I'm going to go over the business plan that I sent out to you, okay? So you have a packet that you got to send out. So on this packet, you'll notice the first is your names in your group. You can put your names. You guys can work together by, communication with whatever means you communicate with. You can call each other, text each other, and all that. Now, on the company name, you need to come up with a company name, a real street address, real city, state, and zip code. That means you have to look it up in Zillow. You have to find a location that's going to best fit your needs and put in, a fake number, fake URL, and a fake email address, okay? You don't have to come up with real ones, okay? So that's something. Now, when you scroll down to page two gives you a business plan. You have to read this through. If you don't read it through, you're not going to get it right. Okay, so you have to come up with a business plan. And then page 3 should give you instructions on how to fill out an executive summary. So like right before you actually have to fill out stuff, there's a page there that gives you instructions like an overview of your business, a description of the products and services, your goals, your target market means the type of people that you're trying to seek out, whether it's an older generation, newer generation, middle class, a higher income level person, the team that you're going to put into place, and then your financial outlook, which is going basically like what your profitability is going to be. Okay, so then you fill out on page 4 that executive summary describing everything that was in page 3. Okay, then we'll move on to your company's mission statement. A mission statement gives you a brief company reason why you're here, what your target is, and it's short. It's just a short sentence, okay? So you need to come up with your own mission statement. You cannot copy that from something. Come up with your own mission statement. Your vision is different than your mission statement because it gives you your company values, honesty, integrity, empathy, compassion. Then your goals, your target market, the industry you're in, and then your legal structure, okay? So all of this will be filled out on page 6, okay? Then page 5 again is instructions on products and services, what you're going to offer, and then what the competition is. So products and services, so name your products and services. If you need to put more on there, you can, okay? So you can start there. Then you're going to do on page 9, instructions. It seems like a big packet, but it's really not, because like one page, full page is instructions, and you just have to a little bit to fill out. So page 9 is instructions again, and then page 10 is what you actually fill out. Okay, again, page 11, instructions. It gives you examples and instructions on how to fill this thing out. And then on page 12, you actually have this to fill out, okay? And then actually at number 13, you have that fill out. You're going to give a competitive analysis worksheet. So you're going to look for at least 3 different competitors. And so you can kind of look it up online, what they charge, how everything is going to be. Like for instance, if you're charging $25 for a haircut, maybe your competitor charges $30 to $45. It just depends. Maybe some competitors in the area may charge $10, but you don't want to be in a $10 range. That's not a good thing. So page 14 is going to be instructions again, and then 15, you fill it out. It's not going to take long to fill these out, but you have to put some work into it. That's very important, okay? Then you have 16, and then 17, you fill that out. That's going to give you a cost plus value base. What kind of a market are you looking for on your pricing strategy? Okay, so basically you're looking for your type services. How are you going to charge that? Okay, and it explains that in the previous section, okay? Again, then you go into page 18, which is instructions, and 19, which is going to be how to fill that out. So you're going to fill this out. Every other page is basically what you actually fill out, or every other page, because it depends, because sometimes it has a lot of instructions in there, but it just gives you a lot of examples. So page 23 is the next page that you fill out, and then your organizational chart. Just make sure you click in the word box, otherwise it's not going to let you type. You may have to make your word box bigger or type it in there. But on the word box, organizational chart is going to say, if you're a corporation, then you're going to put in there, okay, I'm CEO, so-and-so is going to be our CFO, and then another person is going to be our secretary, another person is going to be our treasurer. You know, what is your financial structure that you have this in if you're starting with a corporation? Now, all we're going to do is fill out the packet right now. Then tomorrow you're going to get more instructions on how to do a lease, and then we're going to, and you're going to have some theory that you're going to have to do and turn in as well, and testing, because we need to go back and do our testing as well. So I will be putting up tests for you guys to put up and do this so we don't get far behind. And then once we've completed all the paperwork, I'm going to give you guys a budget. If you are working in groups, you need to let me know. I'm not going to tell you to go to each other's homes because that is against the rules. But if it's something that somebody's close to you or whatever, and your parents are okay with you working together to do a project, you can. But then we're going to move into the project, and I'll give you the stipulations of how to create the model of your salon. The model of your salon will have to have an outside of the store and an inside of the store. Come up with creative ideas. You can make your furniture. You can, if you wanted to purchase your furniture, you can, but I'm not telling you to go out and spend a lot of money. You know, try to keep it as cheap as possible, but try to make it as cool as possible. Use Legos, use furniture you have. Maybe you have a younger baby sister or whatever that has some Barbie furniture. Anything you can do that you can utilize to make it look like a real salon. And so you got to think about it, however many chairs you're going to have. You know, are you going to have a washroom? Are you going to have laundry room and dryer, a nail room, an aesthetics room, massage room? Depends on what all you're going to offer in services. So whatever services you list on your paper is what you have to create in the salon. And then we have to know the outside of the salon, which is going to be what's next to you. Is there a Starbucks next to you, a McDonald's next to you, a Ross, a TJ Maxx? You know, what type of stores are next to you? Is it in a strip mall or is it a standalone location? All these things you have to think about, okay? So, wanted to give you guys just a quick instructions on that because I thought it'd be easier. And today I'm at my salon. I am with access to my computer and all that. So if you need anything, you can always send me an email or a remind. And then I thought I'd just go and give you guys a quick view. Now we're working in the salon. We're putting up lighting, so it's kind of a mess right now. But I thought maybe I'll just take you around and show you the salon while you're there. Let me see if I can switch the camera over. Okay, so I'll start off in here. This is going to be an overview of my salon, just a quick little view here. So this is our kitchen, of course. We have our laundry room and dryer in here, and the bathroom goes right into there. We have a nice bear call tub. And then we go into our wash bowl room right here, where it's all my products that I have here. And just a little vanity there so that the stylists can wash their chemical bowls. I have a chair in the way. We're moving stuff around. And then we have our wash bowls here and the back bar. And that door over there goes to the basement. And then this goes into what we call our color room. So over here, the color room has a little area that, you know, stylists can fix their colors. And then all the colors will be located in here. And then we have more colors that are located over here behind this screened in. And then we're going to walk into our main area here. And right in here is our nail room. Pedicure chairs. We have space for 2 nail techs. We have a nail tech now. This is one of our stations. There's Felix. You can say hello to Felix.
Hello, guys.
So he's starting to clean up. We're putting up lighting, so we're putting up all of our track lighting right today. Front door. This is our tree for our coats and our umbrellas. There's our waiting area there. This is my station here. And then this goes into our other room for hairstylists. And then we have 4 stations in here. Again, again, we're still working in here, putting up some track lighting. You can kind of see out this front door. We have a swing, so we have a big porch you can swing on. And then we have our upstairs. Upstairs is where we actually have our spa. This is one of our massage rooms. And then this is a little hallway, and then we have another massage room over there. And then this is aesthetics. Let me shed some light in here. I'll turn my little fireplace on for you guys. I have lights on the other side too, but I just don't have them turned on right now. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's my salon right now. And I will turn this back on to me. So I want you guys to continue working hard. Okay, you guys got to get these hours in. We're going to make sure that we get these hours in for you guys. So you are approved to do more hours than just the 150 on the e-learning. So as you do the work that I'm giving you for your salon project, the entire project is going to amount to a certain amount of hours to help make up for what you're losing in school. So this is important that you work on the salon's project as well as the e-learning. If you guys will stay on top of this, a lot of you will still be able to graduate on time without having to do summer school. And don't worry about summer school right now. We don't have any kind of word on what we're going to be doing on that yet. So right now we just need to worry about the here and now. And if you have more questions about the project that I gave you with the packet, then you can go ahead and ask away, okay? And I'll try to answer those the best I can. So guys, stay safe. I miss you a lot. I hope that all is well with everybody. And please stay on top of your work. It's so important, okay? We'll talk to you soon, okay? Miss you guys. Take care.